through the Initiative of Agricultural Development for Economic Growth, AgDEG. Tuesday brought together key government, academic and private sector stakeholders to discuss the initiative tagged Community of Practice COP in Agriculture. Correspondent reports that the meeting held at the Greg and Company building in Makurdi. Let's take the report.
The event is a strategic move to sustain and scale up the agricultural interventions left void by the abrupt closure of the USAID-funded program, Feed the Future Nigeria Agricultural and Advisory Services. Presenting his position, founder and country director of AgDEG, Mr. Adai Unogu, who had previously coordinated the USAID program in Benue State, underscores the initiative's mission to set a new national records in agricultural impact. He says AgDEG is locally rooted and equipped to drive economic growth and transform livelihoods by using strategic market system models.
What is the community of practice in agriculture, and why do we need to have the community of practice? The community of practice is a platform that brings together all institutional players within the agri space to network, to collaborate, to brief ourselves on what we are doing. Most of the times you see that development organizations or even the government, the private sector, we always do things in silos. Practice agriculture seek to do is to want to scale the impact in agricultural development. Remember, whatever we are doing in agriculture is tailored to basic things. What is that? Food security, livelihood of the smallholder farmers, employment for our youth, and most importantly, at the bigger level, economic development. So if these are the key goals that each and every one of us is working towards, then why are we working independently? So we need to, so this is part of the outcome of the community of practice. And then of course, and most importantly, to now help what each and everyone is doing that is working, to share with the others, for the others to begin to replicate and sustain. Let us not just seek opportunities only, but let's begin to create the opportunities. Let's not just seek solutions. What will they give us? But let's begin to create the solutions.
Representing the Benue State Commissioner for Agriculture and Food Security, the Deputy Director of Agricultural Services, Solomon Owecho, affirms government's commitment towards the initiative.
At the Ministry of Agriculture, we have a new sheriff in town, and he's working around the clock to ensure that everything works smoothly for our farmers. He is stabilizing the effort, and I bet you our farmers are going to benefit from it.
He feels that the state is dedicated to improving food security and enhancing the livelihoods of farmers through sustained practices, which he believes can drive innovation and productivity under the collective expertise of COP. The gathering welcomes strong collaboration from institutions, including the Lower Benue River Basin Development Authority and the Joseph Sao Taka University Makurdi, Justum. Dean of the College of Agronomy at Justum, Professor Philip Agbe, highlights the university's commitment towards providing cutting-edge education, research and extension services.
We are asked to share some ideas based on specific ideas and assignments that have been given to some of us. Then we'll be able to share some of these ideas. As I'm beginning to talk about climate change and smart agriculture, I'm sure some of you are aware about what climate agriculture is all about. So I want to urge
he urges stakeholders to invest in climate-smart agricultural practices and rural infrastructure. AgDEG is anchored on 6 key pillars, including strengthening extension services, promoting digital solutions such as AI farmer chat, and climate-smart agriculture. Stephen Abba, Benue Television News.